guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Anna and I am very glad you stopped by. So you guys, on today's video we are going to be making some churros. I have honestly been craving them for a while and I figured why not bring you guys along through my little cooking experience with these churros. I've tried making them before a long time ago and they definitely did not come out the way I expected them to. So I really do hope that this time around things work out for me. So if you are interested in knowing how I make these churros, please continue watching this video. Okay, so all you see here is what you are going to need to make the churros. You're going to need sugar, 3 eggs, milk, a little bit of salt, a vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, cinnamon, butter, of course your measuring cup and your tablespoons and teaspoons. And I put this here because when I went to go pick up some of the items that I needed to make the churros, I actually found this flour mix for churros specifically. I don't know if you guys will be able to find it. I bought this at my local Mexican store, so I don't know if they do sell them like at Albertsons or Walmart, but because I want you guys to be able to make these churros, I am not going to be using this one today, but I'm kind of glad it did come with like a piping bag and the little attachment to it because I didn't have any. I actually had to go buy some. So if you find this better for you, because then you don't have to go through all the steps, you just have to follow the steps that come in the box for you to do. But because we don't know if everyone will be able to find this flour mix, we are going to do the whole ingredients, we'll be preparing the masa together. I don't know. So I guess let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so we are going to turn on the fire and we're going to leave it at medium. We are going to be pouring in half a cup of water, half a cup of milk. So we're going to do 8 tablespoons of butter. Oh my gosh, still 4 more to go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do 1/4 of salt, 1/4 teaspoon, sorry. And I am going to be using a Mexican vanilla blend. And this is to your taste, so however much vanilla you desire. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. Ooh, there we go. So once we've already done all this, we are going to go ahead and let it boil. Okay guys, so it's already came to a boil and we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You actually have to turn off your mix before you pour the flour in there, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we are going to go ahead and mix it all together until it has the consistency you want it to have. So just make sure that all that white off the, you just got to make sure that all the flour is mixed in with our mixture that we made. So we just got to make sure that there's no more untouched flour in there. As you guys can tell, for the most part, the harina is ready. And it actually smells really good, guys. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to let this masa cool down for a little bit. And once it cools down, we'll be able to add our 3 eggs. So let this sit for a little bit because we don't want to cook our eggs. So I will be back once this is cooled off. Okay guys, so I've left this chill for about 15 minutes and we should be good to start adding our eggs. We are going to add 1 egg at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with my hand just because it's gonna take too long. But it's whatever you feel more comfortable with. If you feel more comfortable doing with the spoon, then do it with the spoon. But me personally, I like to use my hands when it comes to masa. I feel like it mixes better. The only bad thing about it is that it is going to be a little sticky, you guys. So just remember that. And I actually already have my pan full of oil right next to me, already preheating. That way whenever we are done with the mixture, we can, oh no, okay, oh well, we can go ahead and start making the churros. The masa smells so good, you guys. I'm very excited to try these churros. I think the last egg, I am gonna go ahead and do it with the spoon just because my hands are starting to get a little too they're sticking with the masa and I don't want that. Okay, you guys, we are going to do the last egg. And let's mix it in. The pan is running away from me. This is so messy. You gotta make sure and mix it in all right. So it looks like the egg is pretty mixed in there already. So we are going to go ahead and add this to our piping bag. So I'm going to use the one that came in that box with the flour already mixed. I'm going to use that one just because I didn't get to make it to the store to buy the piping bags. To be honest, I don't even know how to do this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I know you have to cut it, but that's as far as I know. Oh, great. Okay, I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to do or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it anyway. Okay, so now all we gotta do is fill up the piping bag with the mixture. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a mess, guys. Let me get a smaller spoon, that way I can get everything in here. I just went ahead and I'm gonna use the smaller spoon just because I feel like I can maneuver it better. I'm not no expert, so I can't tell you guys how to do it with the big spoon. But we're just gonna go ahead and add all this masa in here. That way we can start making our churros. I'm so excited, you guys. I remember when I was a little girl, I used to always want a churro when we used to go to the mandado. Either a churro or un cóctel de fruta with chile, limón y sal. The good old days. Okay, so I'm gonna work with what I have right now, and this is what the piping bag looks like. I'm gonna take you guys to my already preheated skillet so we can start making these churros. Okay guys, so here is my already preheated skillet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze the piping bag without allowing anything to get out. I shouldn't have filled it up as much as I filled it up. So when you do this, don't fill up your bag all the way to the top, because then you're gonna have the same problem I'm having. Okay. So we're gonna squeeze it. Squeeze it. And then go ahead and cut it right there. And we are gonna continue doing that through the whole process. Okay guys, so we are going to continue. I'm going to put these on top of a plate with napkins. Oh no, that way. Just that way they don't, that way the napkin absorbs most of the oil and we don't eat an oily churro. So I'm going to continue cooking them, and then I will come back with you guys once they are ready to be put in sugar and cinnamon. And as you can tell, I broke 2 of them, but that's fine. The rest are going to be perfect. There we go. Okay, so in this plate I added sugar and cinnamon, and it only has a little bit because I had already done most of my churros. So all you do is you place your churro on the plate and you add the sugar and the cinnamon. These got a little burnt. My oil was, oh no, my oil was too hot, hot already, but it is what it is. They're still churros. Quemaditos, pero churros. Okay guys, so that is the final result. Here are your churros. So here are our final churros, guys. Junior is going to give them a try and let you guys know if they came out good. Oh, that one's going to be too hot, Mama. Let's do one that's not too hot. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, try it. Show it to the girls and try it.
Hi guys, this is, okay, so we're gonna try this
Churro.
churro that we could see if it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yes.
That's good. So it's Junior approved, guys. You want to get up?
Yeah.
So there you have it. Our own churros were being, oh no, how do you say it? I get nervous when you're hearing me. I was doing just perfectly fine when you weren't here. Okay, you guys, well, there you have it. Now we know how to make churros of our own. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can become a part of my family. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And without further to say, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your churros. Bye guys.